welcome to this new video. This video is regarding sales for this year. That means sales for the current year, the latest year. So we used to get the sales value of the respective years by using a filter or a slicer. So in this same way, we used to get the sales price of respective years. If you want to get the sales price of 2018, we will be selecting the slicer 2018, and this is the latest year 2024. And if you need the sales price of 2024, you will be selecting this 2024 inside the slicer, and you will get the corresponding price of this year. But when you unselect this slicer, or when you unfilter the year, you will be getting the total sales price. You won't be getting the sales price at the current year. So you can write a DAX function for that to get the current year as well as the previous year. So we will first write the DAX function for the current year, and then we will write for the previous year. Previous year means, okay, year minus one, we will get the previous year. So we have the table, we have the years from 2018 to 2024, and in this card we will be showing the current year, and in this card, second card, we will be showing the previous year. So for this card, first we will write the DAX function for the current year. That means the current year, that the latest year. So we can write it as this year sales equals to calculate sum of price, and you can get the year. We are filtering with respect to the year, isn't it? So you can take it as year function and the date. Date means, okay, this date we have to take. So we will use the calendar date. So year of that calendar date should be year of today. So today's year will be 2024, and you will be getting the current year. So we will try and see this year's sales. You can get it. So you can see this year's sales 32,560, and that is the same 32,560 for 2024. Now we will do for 2023, that is the previous year. That you just need to change one little bit code in the DAX function of the current year. You can write it as previous year sales equals to calculate sum of price, and then you need to do the same thing. Year of calendar date equals to year of today, and here before closing the entire calculate bracket, you need to write minus, because this minus one should be this year minus one. So you have to be careful with closing this bracket, and then you will close the calculate bracket, and you will select it in this second card. And here you can see previous year 42,825, and that is the previous year. So in this way we can get the particular current year. And if you don't want to filter, of course you can go to the edit interaction and you can take out the filter from this, so that in your dashboard the current year sales will be always shown along with the previous year sales. I mean last year sales. Hope this was an informative video. Have a nice day.